Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to change the battery in a Cadillac XT4 key fob. First, you will need to identify the correct battery type for your specific fob. A common one is the CR2032 coin cell. Next, gather your tools, which usually include a small flathead screwdriver. Finally, locate the small release button on the side of your key fob, which allows access to the emergency key. Once you've located the release button, press it and slide out the emergency key. This will reveal a small slot or opening. Carefully insert your small flathead screwdriver into this opening. With a gentle twisting motion, you can begin to pry apart the two halves of the key fob casing. Take your time to avoid damaging any internal components or the casing itself. After opening the key fob, you will see the old battery. Before removing it, take a moment to note its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. Then, use your screwdriver to gently pry the old battery out of its holder. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing down into the fob. Make sure it's securely seated. With the new battery in place, carefully align the two halves of your key fob casing. Press them firmly together until you hear them snap securely into place. Don't forget to reinsert the emergency key. Before you go, check the description for a great water bottle and other deals. Finally, test your key fob's functionality by locking and unlocking your Cadillac XT4 to ensure everything is working correctly. You've successfully changed your key fob battery.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.